going to be glittering this mug. It's going to be a teacher's present for my daughter to give to her teacher at the end of year. And I'm going to be doing it this gorgeous holographic pink. I just got this packet from Amazon. I think it was £12 for the whole packet, and I've already done one glass, which I'll show you in a second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glitter the bottom part of this mug. So the first inch, maybe inch and a half up the mug like that. So it'll be a band of glitter round and a little bit up the handle. And as I said, it's to match this glass that is currently drying. But you can see that wine glass with the pink holographic glitter. That is currently drying at the moment, so it's going to be a set of 2 to give to her teacher. I've also done this gorgeous blue one as well. Beautiful, beautiful blue. So I'm going to be doing it in pink, like I said, to match the glass. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to measure out a couple of pieces of masking tape so that I can make sure I get my line straight. So I do a couple down from the rim of the mug, and then I will do a band round, and then using my dishwasher safe Mod Podge, although I will suggest they hand wash them anyway afterwards, but it just gives it an extra bit of adherence. So using my dishwasher safe Mod Podge, I'll be painting on a thin layer of Mod Podge, sprinkling on the glitter, letting that dry, and then I'll be doing a second coat, letting that dry, and then that should be good enough to go. Get a ruler, have a look. So if I go, I think maybe 6 centimetres down, and then that will give me approximately 4 centimetres. Yeah, just over 3 to 4 centimetres of glitter on the bottom. So then we get the ruler, and then what I do is I mark 6 centimetres in, 6, 12, 18, will I hit 24? I will, 18, 24. So they're my 4 I put on the mug. So then I cut straight across on the lines. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I get the mug, and I stick them from the top of the rim down. So I do this at all 4 corners. That's 1, then one on the opposite side, 2, and then middle there, 3. And turn it over, last 1, 4, and then getting my masking tape again. I cut a number of different, so I need another 4. Now these don't have to be measured out, they are just to effectively join the lines that I have just stuck on. So I need another 4 of those, and then what I do with these, using the tape measure that the masking tape I've just put on, I add these to the mug so that the bottom of this one lines up with the bottom of the tape that's just gone on, and then I work my way around the mug so that it all aligns. And there we go, that's that one. This one to go through there. And there we go. And that's my line that I'm going to glitter up to. Next step to do is I need to tape off the handle to make sure we get a line. So I line my mug down against the line paper here, lining up from the top because I'm measuring 6 centimetres down from the top. So it's this line here that it's lined against. So add my tape rule to there. I just add my masking tape and then just bring it round and stick it down. like so. And that's the line on the handle. So now the next step to do is to glitter. So using my Mod Podge dishwasher safe glue, I put a dollop in my little pot. For some art projects I do straight from the pot, but because there's glitter involved, I don't want the glitter getting into my Mod Podge and contaminating what's left. So let's just move the turquoise glitter out of the way. Using got the pink ready to go. So what I do, just get a brush and, like I said, just a light layer of the Mod Podge. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're not already, do subscribe to my channel to be one of the first to know when I upload a new crafty inspiration. Enjoy the rest of the video. Move the glue out of the way. And then just sprinkle it on. You don't need to worry about being too liberal with how much you put on, because any excess you can tap off, like so. And what we do with the excess glitter, as you've done it on a piece of paper, just gather your paper up, get your pot of glitter, just tip in. Get your glitter and sprinkle on. Handle's a bit tricky, so just turn it in all directions to get the coverage you want. And the second coat can get all the bits that you can't quite reach anyway. It's the first coat. There we go, and tap off. Okay, and that's the first coat done on the mug. Now we need to leave that dry for a good few hours, and then what we'll do, come back, give it another tap off to make sure all the loose excess bits as much as possible are off, and we will do exactly the same. Do another layer of Mod Podge over the glitter, and then another sprinkle of glitter on the top of that. So the glitter on the mug has dried, the glue's dried. Giving it a quick tap off to release any loose ones that we can. Okay, and then what we need to do is we need to do that all again. So another coat of Mod Podge over the mug, like so, and then another layer of glitter on the top, and then we will let that dry. We'll do a final layer of Mod Podge over the top of the last glitter coat, just to seal in any loose glitter that's left over from these two rounds. So what I'm going to do now, I've left this final coat of Mod Podge dry for about 30 minutes, I think, in total. So it's not completely hard dry, but it just makes it easier peeling off the tape. I find it makes it easier peeling off the tape just while the glue is slightly tacky and not hard dry. So now you do this slowly. Whilst I'm going to speed this video up for you, you want to do this slowly and pulling sort of away and up from the glitter slightly, so you're not trying to tear it off as you go. So just slowly doing it, take your time, work around the mug, then go around the handle, and then we will tidy up the mug. So with all our masking tape off, just give the mug a slight wipe over with your hand, remove all the excess glitter that is around. You can do this more so afterwards once you've completely finished. With some alcohol wipes potentially would work well here. So what I'm about to do, I'm inspecting the lines left by the masking tape, just making sure they're as sharp as they possibly can be. And where there's slight dimples and the glitter is raised slightly onto the mug, I'm going to push it down with my nail just to make sure that the line is as clean as I would like. Doing this when the glue is slightly tacky as well, not hard dry, is an ideal time to do so. And there we have my finished mug. Absolutely gorgeous, sparkles fantastic, and a brilliant present for my daughter's teacher.